morning, good afternoon, everyone. Today is March 15th, also known as the Ides of March, same day that Julius Caesar was assassinated back in Roman times. So what we're looking at here is the micro E-mini S&P. I'm going to show you the E-mini, the NASDAQ, the crude oil, all using the Atlas line and the results for today. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please let's not trade with funds. We cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. The Atlas line is proprietary software available at DayTradeToWin.com. It uses price action to calculate the dashed line as you see it. Now, if you have a lifetime license of the Atlas line, we do offer lifetime upgrades. So if you haven't already gotten the latest upgrade, if you have a lifetime license, visit DayTradeToWin.com, send us an email, we'll upgrade you to the latest version of the Atlas line. Now, on the micro E-mini S&P, the first signal of the day was 41.8550, which is way over here right at the start of the day. And from that point on, the market just kept on going higher and higher and higher, which is great because the idea behind the Atlas line is to offer long trades, long signals. The actual software provides you these signals, both pullback, strength trades, as well as bounce trades. You can turn them on or off. And though we have here all long opportunities, there are no short opportunities. So only if the market drops below the Atlas line will see short opportunities. Now, some of you have the Trade Scalper software. You combine the two and you're only looking for long signals. That's great, but the Atlas line is standalone, as well as if you want to combine it with your own methodologies. Now, this is the micro E-mini S&P. Let's take a look at the E-mini. Remember, the micro E-mini is a great way to start your trading journey because it's 1/10 the size of the E-mini S&P. And that way, as you're learning and you're starting to understand how trading works, there's not a lot of money there that you could lose because you're trading the micro E-mini S&P. It's a great way to start. Now, the E-mini S&P here, as you can see, very similar, right? It works very similarly to the micro. Again, 41.8550, the long, a bounce signal, a couple of pullback trades. Again, only long opportunities. So this is the E-mini S&P. Let's take a look at another market like the crude oil, or let's go to the NASDAQ, for example. So the NASDAQ is looking at, again, a long opportunity. The NASDAQ is showing me a long at 13,111 right at the beginning of the day, right over here. And then you have all of these additional strength and pullback trades. That's what the S's and the P's are for. And there are no short signals whatsoever. No short signals at all. Just long opportunities. Now, on the NASDAQ, getting long and going for 200 points, the market went at least 250, is a great way to take advantage of trending days. Just follow the rules, understand how the Atlas line works, the signals, how they're generated, and that way you'll be able to follow along using our price action rules and methods. One last market, we're going to look at the crude oil. I know a lot of traders are looking at the crude oil market. So for the crude oil today, it started off, now it's a little different. It started off where the market gave you a short at 95.92, and so at 95.92 the market went down. Very healthy, good moves, strength and pullback trades, and then it stopped and it turned around and it crossed above the Atlas line, which means now we're going to focus on long trades. Again, looking at now on the crude oil 95.94 at about 12 o'clock to go long today. So here we have three or four markets: the crude oil, the NASDAQ, the E-mini, and the micro. If you're new to trading, visit DayTradeToWin.com, download the Get Started guide. We have a few free things that you could download: a simulator to start trading, get live data. That way you can start your journey slow and steady into the world of trading. If you're interested in learning all of the methods, we have a discounted program called the Accelerated Mentorship, which includes the Atlas line and the Trade Scalper, all the methods together in one complete package. It's discounted. It's a great way for traders who really want to learn everything we have to offer. Visit DayTradeToWin.com, Accelerated Mentorship. I'll see everybody at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.